Hello everyone, I'm super excited to be introducing you all to a new quantitative platform that you can actually stack USDT from. Now the reason why I'm showing you guys this live wallet account is because I'm going to be making the live withdrawal. Now you can see directly I'm on Bybit now. Approximately a dollar to naira currently is around 1,630 to 1,620. So this is what you are going to be earning per day and per week. Now this is it, 1,620 multiplied by 6, approximately what, 9,720 is actually above this. So let's multiply this by 7 days. Now multiply this answer, this our sum multiplied by 7 days around 68 and above. So quickly let me show you guys how to get started on this platform. So all you just need to do directly is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check the pinned comment. Now you can register using your email, then you set up a login password and then you re-enter, or you come here, register using a mobile phone number. You click on this and you click you look for your country and then you register quickly. So for me, let me just sign up on this platform immediately. All I'm just going to do here is to just click on my email account right now, and then the next thing for me to do is to just input my login password, and then I'm into the platform immediately. Now on this platform I'm going to be making a live withdrawal which is around 6 point something USDT, approximately almost 10,000 naira daily. So quickly let's go straight into it. You can just read through this and then you close. Now how do you register on this platform? I've shown you guys how to register. Now you are going to make a recharge, but before you make a recharge you have to decide how much the VIP that you want to unlock. So for me, the VIP I unlock here is a VIP 2, which is around, it cost me 24 USDT to unlock this VIP. Now in the next 7 days I'm going to be earning 2x of my capital. So quickly let me just make this withdrawal before I proceed. Now after you have recharged, look at it correctly. If you pick a VIP here, right? So for me, this VIP 2 is going to give me around 6 point something USDT daily earning. This VIP 3 is going to give me like multiply by 2. So each VIP level is multiplied by 2. Are you following? So quickly, let me just quickly the next thing for you to do after you are done recharging, you just click on tax. Tax is the second icon counting from the left. So once you click on that tax, you are going to see a purchase that you've made around here. So once it loads up, the next thing you're just going to do is to tap on complete. So if I tap on to complete right here, you're going to see what I'm earning is around 6.11. So let me tap on complete right here. So I tap on complete. So once I tap on complete, the next thing that is going to do is that it's going to load up. So once it loads up, it's going to give me my daily earning interest for the day. You can see my tax is completed successfully. The next thing for me to do is to go to the main icon and place on withdrawal. So I come here, I tap on withdrawal. So once I tap on withdrawal, I'm going to show you guys how to recharge. You can recharge using BEP20, BNB, or whatsoever you want. So this is it. I want to make use of BEP20. So let me just quickly go back to the wallet. Now I want to give you guys an advice. If you are making use of platforms as this, please make sure you are making, if you are placing withdrawal, making use of a wallet. You understand? You can make do of Trust wallets, you can make do of Exodus wallets, you can make use of different wallets that is trusted. So I want to withdraw everything right here right now. So this is 6.1. You can see I'm closing my login password because these are actually private stuffs that you need to keep secure. Now you can see my withdrawal is actually confirmed. So if I will go still check it on the wallet, so you can see my withdrawal is actually successful. Now the next thing that you need to do is to click on recharge. If you want to recharge, you are just going to come to the home page and you click on this recharge. Please make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So once you click on this recharge here, it's going to show you different network that is supported on USDT, different networks supported on USDT that you can actually make use of. Now before I do that, I want you guys to know that this is an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor right here. What I'm doing is that I'm just showing you guys platform that I earn from. So it's left for you to either make a decision and quickly ape in and actually make profits. All I just do is that I ape in into this platform as early enough that the platform actually exists, then I make good money. Now what I do is that my target is for my ROI is around 7 days. So within the next 7 days or less, the first 3 days, I have made my initial capital. You see it, right? So remember I said I want to show you guys how to recharge. Now for you to, if you want to recharge, you can just come here. Yeah, look, you can see right here we have different network, right? You have BNB, we have BSC, we have any of them. But for me, I prefer using BEP20 network address because of the network fee is actually very minimal. So if you pick on BEP20, the next thing you're just going to do is to tap on copy. An address will be given to you right here, and you tap on copy. The reason why you see this is actually the name right here is based on the network. So you can see the address is here. So I copy it and then I go fund it. So make sure if you want to make do of platforms as this, you are making use of funds that you can afford to let go. But this is what I have to say. For me, in the first 3 days, I already have a return of my capital. I already get it back from the first 3 days. Then the next 3 days, what I'm getting is what? A return of investment. You understand? So within 7 days, you are having a 2x and you are done. So you can see our withdrawal have actually arrived successfully. So guys, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel so you can actually stay connected to platforms as this. So you can also find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can participate in different token adoption. You can see for Edging, the token has been deployed. That's for those of us that are participating in Layer Edge. The token has been deployed. The next thing we're expecting is for what? Allocation checker and TGE. Make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can participate in different token adoption. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Love you guys.